Yeah, if you ever read the video.
Oh, God.
I know. Who says you can't record? Who says you can't read the video?
Now, well, FBI, if you can't see the video, you know, or look at it, or...
What if they hear it and read it?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, FBI, if you ever do,
you know, whatever, to this video?
I think registered, but it's registered illegally.
Yeah, illegally. That means not legal, if you don't know what that means. Legal cop.
Yeah, very sure FBI knows what that means.
That doesn't matter.
O-R-A-N-G-E.
Well, if you're saying orange.
Yeah, or a orange.
I can't get mine set up for some reason. But there are no spaces. I know, but if I start recording, then they'll be able to hear you.
O-R-A-N-G-E. Yay!
Oh wow, Nick, you just had to leave to ruin my video, didn't you? Oh, Tyler, you had to ruin it too, huh? You were in on this?
Yep.
God, you guys are... For some reason I can't get mine started. It says, the current video size for capturing is whatever. This does not match the capture setting, whatever. The settings may be incorrect, or your capture device does not support whatever. Please adjust video size. Trying to. Not sure what's going on here.
My mic unplugged.
Last night was super crazy.
I wish I taped it. I danced my ass off and got
super lazy. And I started a party with this guy named Jay-Z.
Once again, 'cause I like Jay-Z.
Yes, you are. That party last night was awfully lazy. I wish I gathered on video camera. It does in my mind. I wish I taped it.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Okay, now it's starting to get serious because I cannot start it no matter what. That party last night was awfully lazy.
I swear to